Ah yes, celebrity red carpet fashion. So fabulous, but also so expensive. So how do you get the red carpet look when you can barely afford regular carpet? Just a little bit of one-click ordering, and a little bit of broke bitch magic, of course.
Oh my god, I have so many Amazon boxes.
What is up, beautiful kitten muffin pie cats? I don't know what that just said, but anyways, hey, what's up? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a little bit of celebrity fashion hacks. You guys know making cheap things look expensive is literally my specialty. So today I'm going to show you how to get all the fabulous red carpet looks literally with just a couple of random things that I found on Amazon. Because what's better than one-click ordering and looking like Rihanna? Nothing. So without further ado, here we go. Bippity boppity, red carpet.
Oh my lord, I literally have like 500 jillion Amazon boxes at my house right now. I always have 500 jillion because I'm always shopping.
My house is literally like Christmas every day, except it's like I'm Santa and I'm also the person getting the presents. It's confusing. But, so you guys know Amazon's like my favorite thing in the world. I shop there all the time. It has like literally everything you want. Like if I typed in frickin' frog statue, I could find it. Well, they also have basically every fashion you want too.
So, to recreate celebrity looks, you must start with the basics of online shopping. First off, know what you're looking for. The three things you always want to know are the central shopping facts: color, fabric, and style. For instance, this dress Kim K is wearing is red, satin, and V-neck dress. So we'll start there and type that in. Boom! A few results in and we already got ourselves a perfect lookalike. But you know, that's the easy version of look for less hunting. Advanced shopping a celeb look requires simply breaking it down. For instance, for this video, we were going to start with this fire yellow Rihanna look. Oh my god, she is just the queen of fashion and the world. And wow, hi Rihanna, love you. Okay, so what is this outfit at its core? Looks like a yellow cropped turtleneck and a puffy yellow skirt. So we'll type that in and boom, got it with one shot. And well, here they are.
Dun 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 dun. Hi honey, you ready to see it? Okay. Oh, it's beautiful. I look like a princess. Oh, like just look at the color. It's so gorgeous. Wow. I should really stop standing on my kitchen chairs to film videos, but whatever. So you can see literally how beautiful is this? This is just a little tank top. I could wear this with jean shorts and it would be cute. And this skirt is just fabulous. This comes in lots of colors, so you could honestly recreate this in any color scheme you want. And it just is fire. Wow. Literally anything Rihanna inspired is always fabulous, but I must say I am really into this. Ooh, ooh. Another celebrity that always knows what's up when it comes to fashion, Kylie Jenner. So another thing you can do is obviously just look for already pre-made dresses, i.e. Kylie Jenner in a gold dress. Type in gold dress.
Like, look at that. Color, style, fabric, gold, sequin, floor length, long sleeve dress. Boom. There's one right there. Easy as pie.
So you can see it is long sleeve, gold and shiny. And I think if we style it right, we can make it look just like Kylie's. Let's see. Booyah! Oh my god. Like, honestly, this isn't even turning anything into high fashion. This just like literally is the dress. So cute. Ooh, glittery boobs. We love it.
Do you like the glittery booty, pumpkin?
You can honestly recreate almost any celebrity red carpet look very easily. Like, that's literally one click, one stop shopping. Pretty cool. Pretty good for 60 bucks, if I do say so myself. Ooh, look at that glittery booty. Woohoo. Love it. All right, so since we're already in the Kardashian-Jenner clan, we're gonna scoot on over to Kendall Jenner. This look from the Met Gala, oh my god, is so cute. But I thought this would be kind of a fun little inspired, you know, everyday look.
Yes, if you're me, you would wear that every day.
So again, we broke this down. White trouser, flare length pants, white see-through gloves. We got a white corset, a sheer shawl, and some white strappy heels.
So we'll put it all together and see if we can kind of dupe the look.
P.S. Pretty sure we can. I look crazy.
Okay, first of all, how cute is this? I would totally wear this anywhere, but if we put on the rest of it to really match Miss Kenny's look.
Oh my goodness, I'm Kendall Jenner.
Ooh, look at that white on white action. So fun. I feel like I'm going to the opera. But you can see when it's all put together. It's obviously not a perfect dupe replica, but it totally is a cool look. Like you can see, we definitely got the essence of it. These pants are actually fire. The corset's cute. This little shawl thing is really fun. It makes me feel like a princess. And of course, the opera style gloves are just so dramatic. We love that. I love drama. The shoes are cute basics and definitely would work for like any style. So again, you could reuse them for any look. It totally gives off the same vibe to steal the look for less. Ah, Virgil Abloh, it's Off-White by Amber Scholl. Nailed it. Broke bitch tips to the rescue. Ooh, these gloves put me in such a vibe. Okay. All right, so since Kendall is good friends with Bella Hadid, we're gonna go back to my other original hack. Just literally look for the same dress that you know they're wearing. So, you know, satin red slip dress is kind of what I'm gonna type in. And would you look at that? Basically the identical thing already pops up. So this is super easy as well. Oh my goodness, hello. Okay, so T is of course comparing yourself to wearing something that a supermodel is wearing is very difficult, but the same silky satiny color, of course shoes in a similar style. These ones are gold instead of black just because I personally think that like looks better. Grab some dangly crystal earrings and you know, call it a day. Obviously we don't look just like Bella Hadid, but you know, we did steal the look. This thigh slit is such a vibe too. Yes. Oh, yes, work. I would say we nailed this one too. Next up, we got Miss Zendaya because she is just a style icon. She is fabulous. And one of my favorite looks of hers is this, which again is super easy to recreate.
So we're gonna actually mush kind of the pink look and the orange look together, take inspo from both. And what I ended up coming up with was this little actually belly dancing outfit. We're gonna go ahead and turn that into a look by kind of taking the top scarf piece and wrapping it around our body to create a top and then keeping the skirt as is. And you can see when it's done.
Oh my gosh, beautiful. Like you can see, I just went ahead and tied this around so it's kind of like a little tank top thing instead of putting it on the skirt. And then the skirt just kind of flows. Oh my goodness, it's so glamorous. You could also tie it up like this for a different vibe. Oh, like look at that, that is gorgeous. This actually kind of reminds me of the next look, so here's the next look. Can I safely jump down from here? Hopefully. Ha Cool.
Like, I literally love, again, this Rihanna look so fierce. So I went ahead and got a little orange top that kind of resembled that one.
Like you can see we got this super cute little orange top. Honestly, you could wear this with like shorts or pants too, just like, again, Trader Joe's or wherever it is you go these days. And the skirt, ooh, baby. And when you put that together, do we look as fierce as Rihanna? Absolutely not, because Rihanna is the queen. But we definitely stole the vibe, and it's honestly a hecka look. Like these tulle skirts are really just fabulous. This one even already has a slit in it. Oh, wow. Yes. Going to the Grammys, going to the mall, going to my friend's house. Under my umbrella, Ella, Ella. I'm like actually really into this top. I'm gonna order this in other colors if it comes in other colors, okay. Anywhoosie, on to another musician, Ariana. Of course, we stan Queen Ari because, you know, she's Queen Ari. So that gray dress she wore to the Grammys was so gorgeous. So I thought I'd kind of, you know, mix and match it to steal the look with, again, what do you know, a gray tulle skirt.
So for this, I actually ordered 2 of them. You can see it comes with lining. I actually cut it back out with some scissors because I wanted it to like look, just have no lining. I just thought it'd look better. Then I cut off a piece of the tulle.
You can see I wrapped it around my neck to create a nice little top. This skirt is so glam. Like a really weird napkin. Ooh la la. Super cool, definitely has like a punky vibe to it. I love it. Like look at the train on that skirt. Ooh, this is just so fun. Does this count as Swiffering the floors? Kinda. I see it, I like it, I want it, I made it.
All right, and last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and recreate again another Rihanna look because she just has the best outfits in my opinion. So this is an easy look to dupe with just a maxi skirt and again, a turtleneck.
This is just your average white turtleneck. You can see so bland. And then I forgot to put a bra on under this, so you know, spare the kind of weirdness it's looking. But you can see when you put them together, it looks like a little 2-piece set. And now you're ready to go in style. Like, honestly, this is so cute. And you could do this with literally any color. And you could shake up the top and bottom depending on like what style you want. Like if you wanted this to be a tube top or not a turtleneck or whatever, you could literally make it into whatever you want. But since this is what Rihanna was wearing, obviously, that's what we did. She always knows best. I'm so sweaty from trying on all these clothes, my God. Are you sleeping on my outfits? Pumpkin. I guess I'll lay down with you, Pumpkin Man. Hi, baby. You're so handsome, oh my God. So there you have it. That is how you can turn Amazon into red carpet fashion. Easy, cheap, at your house. No reason you can't look fabulous, even on, you know, a papa's budget. Is papa even a right word? I don't have any idea, honestly, but thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, for more tips and tricks, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. I guess that's that on that. Hi, Honey Bear, and I will see you guys next time. Remember to stay creative, stay fabulous, and most of all, stay yourself. Till next time, sweet angels. XO. Hey, honey. Oh, you're gonna leave me? Such a man.